What's up, guys? We're here again with Miss Sunny, and we're gonna go into just a basic ways to open up closed guard. All right, you see all of these different things, gi and no gi, where everyone's always talking about, pushing on the hips and moving back and doing all these things. I just want to put it simply: if you're looking to open closed guard, just stand up. Right? The dangers of being pulled forward into submissions greatly outweigh the dangers of being knocked backwards. If you stand up and your partner knocks you backwards, it's pretty easy to enter into your partner's legs or to pinch your knees together and then just heist back up. It's a pretty easy thing to deal with. Whereas if you're here and you're trying to open up your partner's guard for 3, 4, 5 minutes, and she's pulling you into triangle, she's pulling you into armbar, she's doing all different kinds of things, there's a lot more danger of being pulled forward into submissions than there is being knocked backwards down to your butt. So whatever kind of grips you have, whether your partner has underhooks, overhooks, I have V-grips in the armpit, just look for ways to stand up, all right? So the easiest way from here is either 2 inside bicep ties like so, or 2 V-grips inside your partner's armpits. These are the preferred grips that I want when I'm looking to stand up. So we can do either the classical method, where we flare a leg out, we step a leg up, and now from here, we stand up nice and tall. Now the whole thing is I want to get to vertical posture. I don't want to just be bent over in this position, I want to stand completely vertical, like so. My favorite is to lean forward to get my head over my partner's head, and then just to pop up to 2 feet. So you can either do it where I step a leg up and I flare a leg out from here, and then now from here we can stand pretty easily, or we can just lean forward and then we stand vertical. Regardless of whether your partner has an overhook, for example, that's fine. I just go in, we have an inside bicep tie, and now from here, we stand up. As my partner goes to create an angle for an armbar, I just control my partner's hips. When she goes to cut an angle, she can't do it from here. And now from here, we just pummel the hand through, we stand up. If she has an underhook on me, from here, no problem. We can go in, if she goes to a shoulder crunch, underhook, whatever the case is, we just go through, shoulder crunch, and we just stand up. We just lean forward, and we stand up like so. Now from here, we make space, we bring our feet right outside our shoulders, and we move to vertical posture. So, when you're looking to open up a closed guard, just stand up. If you want an example of what not to do, like people do, like they call it the Sao Paulo pass or whatever it is, where they go over like this. Me and Buchecha had this exchange in ADCC, and I almost took his back. The second he stood up, he opened my guard, started passing. So just stand up from here. Whatever the case is, even if there's double unders on me, just look to start standing up, making space. Now we can open. The worst case scenario from here is I stand up, she grabs both my ankles. Now she does so, she knocks me backwards. As we fall, we just pinch our legs together. When she goes to get up from here, she can't do it. Now I can either separate my partner's legs, go into leg attacks, I can start lifting my partner's ankles, and now from here, as we both go to heist, I get up on top every time. So the worst case scenario is she knocks me backwards from here, and now we're both on our butts. When we both go to get up, I can either go in, start attacking, or when she goes to get on top of me, I just open up my knees. Now when she goes to bring her heels to her butt to heist, she can't do it. So the whole thing is, look up to open up a closed guard on her partner. However you have to do it, just get up. Whether it's leg up and flare, whether it's head over head, popping up, whether she has underhook, overhook, double unders, whatever the case is. From here, the whole thing is, I just look to start standing up. When she goes to start creating angles on me, we just cover the hips. Make it so the hips can't move by bringing our elbows back to our hips. Now from here, when she goes to take a tight overhook, I just pommel out, we stand up vertical, we separate our partner's legs. And now if she knocks me backwards, we can deal with it. If she enters into my legs, we can deal with it. Now we're right into all of our passing sequences. So everyone tries to do all these fancy guard passes down on the knees. When you're looking to open up your partner's guard, just stand up. I have like almost across the center line.
Side guy. Go rub around the bottom. Open mouth.
All jokes aside, guys, thank you all so much for the support. I love all of my fans and haters alike, and without you guys, I wouldn't be here. As you guys know, I want to start doing some crazy stuff with the channel, and if you purchase from any of these brands or any of my merch, you'll be massively helping the channel. Thanks to all my supporters and partners for making this possible.